How to edit TikTok Shop product listing. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In order to edit a TikTok Shop product listing, you must use TikTok Shop Search Center. Most changes to product details will trigger a re-audit, which typically takes up to 24 hours. So launch open your Seller Center. Then you need to navigate to the product sections, and under product, you want to go ahead and select manage products. There, you want to find the product you want to change and simply go ahead and select edit on the right side of your listing. Once you've done that, you could go ahead and modify the following sections like basic informations, product details, sales information, shipping, and you could go ahead and select submit or update in order to save your changes. And if you need to update multiple things at once, just go to manage product in the product sections and you could go to bulk actions, and that is how you could go ahead and do it as well. So this way you'll be able to successfully edit TikTok Shop product listing. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.